Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and wondered where all that youthful strength went? Maybe you remember the days when carrying groceries was effortless, or climbing stairs felt like a breeze. But with each passing year, it feels like muscle strength quietly slips away. What if I told you there's just one simple daily habit that could help you restore your muscle strength, helping you feel decades younger? And no, I'm not talking about hours at the gym or lifting heavy weights. I'm talking about the power of daily resistance, using nothing but your own body and maybe a sturdy chair. It's called sit to stand, and it's as easy as it sounds. Here's how it works. Sit at the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest. Now slowly stand up. Then gently sit back down. Do this 10 times, once a day. That's it. 10 little sit to stands. It might seem too simple, but science backs it up. Studies show that this movement activates every major muscle group in your legs and core. With consistent practice, it helps improve balance, boosts muscle strength, and makes everyday tasks easier, like walking, shopping, or playing with your grandkids. But here's the real magic. With each sit to stand, you're not just reclaiming muscle, you're reclaiming confidence. You're saying yes to independence, to laughter-filled outings, to a life that doesn't slow down just because you're older. I know change can feel daunting, but starting small is the secret. 1 minute, one habit, one new opportunity every single day. And as days turn into weeks, you'll notice a difference, not just in your muscles, but in your spirit. So, will you try it with me? Take a moment right now, wherever you are, and give the sit to stand a go. And if you feel comfortable, let me know in the comments how it went, or share your own journey. I read every single one, and your story might inspire someone else to take their first step too. Remember, age is just a number. Your strength, your resilience, your zest for life, those are timeless. All it takes is one daily habit to turn back the clock. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. Until next time, stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep moving.